È bello amare il calcio. Lega Serie A e Team presentano la Serie A Team.
On the eve of his 40th birthday, Gianluigi Buffon made his return from injury. More than 2 decades spent in between the sticks, an adventure that started as a teenager at Parma, before making over 600 outings at Juventus, earning legendary status in a trophy-laden spell. After a 2-month injury layoff, the club captain took his place on the bench at the Bentegodi, where Juve sought 3 points in the Scudetto chase. Two months without a win. Chievo knew the odds were against them versus the champions. But the Giallo-Blu dug deep, limiting Juventus to just 1 shot in the opening 30 minutes. Solid start, Samuel Bastien's sending off complicated matters for the home side. Despite their numerical advantage, Juve struggled to make headway in attack, prompting Massimiliano Allegri to look to his bench.
What a dummy, and that was a brilliant piece of play. Mandzukic with the shot.
Fabrizio Cacciatore's gesture cost him and his teammates dearly. Down to 9 men, Chievo faced a Bianconeri onslaught.
Here he's on the ball, but Nadeschi made the move on his left foot, but he didn't have the right. He then used it. Mandzukic left it, and it's drilled into the goal by Khedira. Crosses, surely Higuain. He's ended the drought. He scored his first Serie A goal against Chievo.
Gonzalo Higuain ended a 706-minute goal drought and sealed a 6th straight win. The perfect birthday present for club legend Gianluigi Buffon.
It is never easy to start back after the winter break. It's hard to get back into the mindset, especially when you face teams that defend well like Genoa and Chievo. We are still looking to hit top gear and find our feet again, but the important thing was to win. On top of that, we have only conceded 1 goal in the last 9 games. Keeping clean sheets increases your chances of winning.